How are you doing today? Matt Long, Realtor here. Another wonderful example here of investment property or potential income producing property here. This one here is in Tampa. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom with in-law suite. The garage here was actually a conversion. We'll go ahead and head on inside. Right as we walk in, we come into our main living areas. As you can see here with this open concept kitchen, main dining room, living area, and lounge area. And as we come back through here to the kitchen, these cabinets were all put in December of 2019 with the butcher block island, and it has these stainless steel appliances. This leads on out to the patio and the laundry area, which we'll take a look at here shortly. So we come down the hall here. Bedroom number 1. It's the smallest of the bedrooms. You see here. More of a functional office, maybe baby's room, big enough for a small child. And then bedroom number 2. See here. We'll spin around here. All the bedrooms or areas have en suites except for that first bedroom we walked into. See here. Vanity lighting, a nice big mirror. And across the hall here to bedroom number 3. Let's see. This brings us into the bathroom, ensuite bathroom. As you can see here, with new vanity put in. A nice standing shower and toilet with cabinetry. I'll spin back around here. See, vanity there. Again, the shower. And we'll head out into to be the main bathroom or guest bathroom. See here, another nice big mirror with vanity lighting. This one has a vintage tub, sink, and toilet. This is probably the main room if you're looking at renovations that people would start with. All right, so those are the 3 main bedrooms in the main part of the house. Now, as I said, the garage was an addition. So go here, and they have kind of this Jack and Jill style entrance to the bathroom. Just a full bathroom here, which is great because you have this door to partition it off from the house if you have guests or if you have renters that want to separate themselves. And this one does have its own private entrance here. Again, this was the garage that was converted. And you can see a space for a small refrigerator, a small sink with a wet bar. And if somebody wanted to add any other niceties here, nice closet here, good sized closet. Holds the main water heater for the house. Has shelving. It's nice and deep, as you can see in there. All right, so we'll head on back through the house here. We're gonna head on over to the in-law suite. Again, that is 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. Now on the other side of the dining room here, we have our in-law suite right through here. As I said, all bedrooms, including the in-law suite, have their own, have hardwood floors, and have an ensuite bathroom. As you can see here, a small living area, an area for a kitchen, its own private entrance, and its separate thermostat. A standing tiled shower, as you can see here. Spin around here, some nice white cabinets, vanity, and vanity to ceiling mirror. That is probably the second, one of the other areas, and the main focus would be this vanity here for renovation. The vanity here, and these cabinets along here and countertop. If you have any questions about this property or looking for some other income producing property, well, go ahead and head out here to the, show you the laundry area and the patio. You can hit me up at 352-403-3730. Websites, mattlongrealtor.com. This is composite decking, so it has a long lifespan, so you don't have to worry about the same issues with a lot of people have with discoloring and stuff like that. Even though there is no garage, there is a shed out back, and you can see the second, it's the air conditioning unit for the in-law suite. You can find me on social media at Matt Long Realtor. If you have any questions, hit me up. Schedule a private viewing. Could show you any other properties in Central Florida, Tampa, the Villages. 352-403-3730.